Hey there, Leslie here. Well, today we're going to talk about how are your social media habits influencing your beginning paralegal career? How are your habits an influence on that? Now, I'm going to hone in on content that you're putting up on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, any of the social media channels. Could be Twitter. And if an employer searches for your name, you've sent in a resume, cover letter, and they automatically do a search on Google. What are they finding? You know, where are you and what are you putting up there? Will they want to hire you? Okay. I talk often about somebody who had really complained that he could not get hired and that they're only hiring women and this type of thing. And that was not the case. And I thought, you know, I've worked with male paralegals, you know, and more than once. So I just thought, well, I'm going to take a look at this person's Facebook page. I wanted to see who they were. And I went over there, and the cover on the Facebook page up at the top was flat out obscene. So do you think an employer is going to go and find that, and they will find it, and then think that that's really, you know, somebody they want to hire? More than likely not. So what are they finding when they search for you personally? So do a search for yourself on Google. What kind of pictures are you uploading? You have to manage your photos as if you were a publicist, because this represents you. So what are you representing to the employer? And yes, they will see it. So your presence on social media, it's almost as if that's your credit report, and you want the highest marks possible. So you want that takeaway to be very positive. And is that what their takeaway is right now? Do you have a presence on LinkedIn? Don't wait. If you're in school or going for a certificate, don't wait to put your LinkedIn profile up. You can use LinkedIn right now to share articles about different things in the legal field. Get your profile up there, and then you keep adding to it, okay? So the question for you is this: when it comes to your use of social media, in what ways do you want your social media presence to enhance your paralegal career? And that's what LinkedIn will do for you, because that's a professional social media area. And you can start to put in things that you have learned, or you can just say something about what you're learning right now, what you're learning how to do. It will not go unnoticed, okay? And that's a positive. So think about that. How can you change things up if you haven't been using social media overall for this? And remember that the employer will be looking at everything. Okay, so you know, if you want to post family pictures and things, and that's different, but be careful what you're posting. And if you're on Facebook, honestly, your security area, your settings, should not allow everybody to have access to your pictures. And some of the other social media venues, that's not really a choice, but for Facebook it is. And only like friends of friends have access to my photos, because they're family photos, and not everybody needs to see everybody in my families, and that's for privacy's sake. So be careful about what the employer's going to find, and take a hard look at that. And then if you need to change some things, do it. All right. Have a great day. Any questions, comments, let me know, and I'll talk to you. Oh, by the way, get the playbook at paralegalcoffeetalk.com, because boy, I would be talking about areas of law that I was researching. You know, the duties of paralegal duties. I would be talking about that on social media. Just a big hint there, especially on LinkedIn, but other areas too. So Get the playbook at paralegalcoffeetalk.com. Go to the Paralegal Resource tab. It's Paralegal Resources Hub tab, and it's free. Download it today. It's a free PDF. You have to sign up, get it, and look at one of the pages in the middle that talks about researching paralegal duties, okay? And have fun doing that. Have a great day.